Today I'm wearing SmartBear socks.
One
One of my favorite socks, to be honest. To you again.
We can start.
Here actually you have space to grow in your career but also your personal skills.
I found joining SmartBear as a next step in my career development.
People, where people are people, not the number in the Excel file.
Values that the company shows are my core values as a person, so that's very important for me.
Teamwork, it's just not some empty phrase.
That everybody's treated equally.
People are very welcoming here.
It doesn't matter where you're from, and you're working from home or from the office here. There is a very nice sense of being united in this company.
A lot of stuff I can do just to talking with them face to face.
It's always easier to ask questions directly to a person than just Slack.
We have some budget that we can use towards learning.
I see a big path in front of me.
When I see our Wrocław location, we have currently more than 150 employees.
When it comes to develop my skills, when it comes to develop my soft skills as well.
Definitely we are encouraged to learn every day.
If you feel like you are that person for whom self-development is most important, then you should definitely join this company.
Dołącz do nas.
Dołącz do nas.
Dołącz do nas.
Gel bize katıl.
Pridaj se k nám.
Dołącz do nas.